Good morning students. Welcome to Pakistan International School, e-learning session grade 4. Let's begin our today's lesson. Okay guys, as we have learned in previous lesson about use of computer in making films, in space technology, in offices, in schools, in libraries, and in medicine. And now, we will learn about how computers are playing their role in banks, in designing shops and hotels. The use of computers in banks. Computers are used in banks for the many different purposes like providing account details to customers and in printing account statements, operating automated teller machines, ATMs, which are machines installed outside the bank that enable customers to withdraw money at any time. The use of computers in designing. Designers use the computers to design many different things. For example, architects design buildings and houses on computers. Engineers design cars and aeroplanes. A dress designer designs dresses on a computer. And now the use of computers in shops and hotels. Computers are used in shops and hotels to maintain records of stocks and prices of items, preparing bills. Okay guys, now let's watch a wonderful video of Toogle and Google discussing the importance and use of computer in different fields of life.
Hi Goggle, what's up? You seem to be pretty busy. Hi Toggle, I'm playing a game on my PlayStation 3. Wow, that must be fun. Toggle, it's so much fun that I just can't stop playing it. But Goggle, do you know that there would be no video games if there were no computers? What does that mean, Toggle? The video games, such as the one you are playing, are special programs created with the help of computers. Really? I didn't know that. Are there other fields where computers are being used? Yes, Goggle. Nowadays, computers are used in many different fields. Which ones, Goggle? Tell me more. Sure, Goggle. Goggle, you must have been to a bank. And I suppose now you are going to tell me uses of computers in a bank, right? Right. In banks, computers are used to maintain records of the accounts and to calculate interest. And I think bank ATMs are also controlled using computers. That's correct, Goggle. Now that you mention it, I have seen computers in hotels and shops too. Yes, Goggle. In shops and hotels, computers are used to maintain records of stocks and prices of items. The bills that you get are also prepared using computers. Got that, Toggle? That's not all, Goggle. Many professionals use computers to make their work easier. How's that, Toggle? Well, Goggle, architects use computers to design structures such as buildings and bridges. Engineers use computers to design machines such as cars and aeroplanes. And fashion designers use it to design dresses. Wow, I didn't know that computers are so important as to be used in so many different fields. Thanks, Toggle, for telling me all this. You are such a help. Anytime, Goggle. As any other computer, I'm always glad to be of help.
Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this lesson. There is worksheet of today's work. Please write all worksheets work in your computer notebook and send it to me at evening before 7 o'clock. Okay guys. In the next lesson we will learn about use of computers in computer controlled cameras, in robots, in airline and railway reservation offices. Once again thanks for watching, and have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.